Let's rewind to January. I know it seems like about 10 years ago. What the pandemic has shown us is that remote work is great and people can be productive, will persist. And we will forever be in this hybrid work environment with some people in the office, some at home. I've gone from having 50, 60 offices around the world to now I have 11,500 because each employee has their own office and you have to worry about their bandwidth, their network, their security, their everything.
This has come to stay. A lot of people are realizing that this is a very effective way of working. And number one has been employee experience. Resiliency is very important. I can't send people to the office to fix it, so things have to work. And the places where IT has done a good job, people feel like maybe these folks should handle more of these crisis and crisis management and operations part of it because they've demonstrated the capability to do that.
This is just another great opportunity to leapfrog forward and see some amazing new things and see things get adopted now that probably would not have been adopted for 5 to 10 years from now. We're not going back,
Yeah, there could be a sudden pandemic like this, which is going to put a stall on everything. So things are not under your control, but at least things that are under your control, execute properly.
And every team kind of picks what makes sense for them. And we've been very flexible to allow each of the team to come up with their own working style. There's not one size fits all. Please take some time off, take care of your mental health, take care of your needs in the family. The biggest thing we want to make sure is that there's business continuity for all the folks who are running the business and who are dependent on Google Cloud. They don't have any disruption.
I think we are all observing innovation in real time in all these spaces. Week by week, we see some of the collaboration software companies add features. All of these are new issues that were important, but they were important as edge cases, and they've suddenly become the core cases.
Our goal is now, the learning from this COVID-19 is how do we address the last mile challenges, to provide a better experience, better quality.
And so when you use technology to disrupt the business model, to disrupt the distribution, to disrupt the engagement, new digital offerings have to be created that lead to new digital revenue.
Morphing the experience from very senior technology executives and professionals with the hunger and with the energy of the uprising young entrepreneurs, that mix will certainly lead to high results.
Be ready to change. As you talk to your customers, think of it as an opportunity to create something different.
Work with the firm that's going to be able to add value and be able to provide you with the expertise that you need to be able to be a successful company. Take time to figure out your story. And by story, I basically mean, think about the company that you're building, the impact that you want to basically have in a particular industry, and probably most importantly, the solution that you're basically providing. The problem that you're solving is absolutely important.
I think the most important thing is founding team. So don't drink your own Kool-Aid. That would be my thing. Talk to your users and customers. Cash is the king. So watch your books. Don't overspend.